This is the truth. If you give Allah your youth, your time, your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, Allah will take care of your rizq. He will take care of your life. He will take care of your future. Whatever you are doing in your life, then the knowledge on how to do that thing becomes obligatory for you. And this is the reality that every student learns sooner or later. Allah has already told us the lifestyle He is pleased with, the lifestyle of seeking knowledge, of prioritizing knowledge, prioritizing the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal. This is the life that He elevates, the life He blesses, the life He protects. And Ibn al-Jawzi, who was poor growing up, as we have read previously, dedicated his youth in seeking knowledge instead of dunya. And later in life, as he said, he looked back and said that his relatives who chased the dunya didn't end up with anything more than he did. Nothing they gained surpassed what Allah gave him, as in the knowledge. And none of their worldly wealth compared to the richness and honor that knowledge gave him. This is the truth. If you give Allah your youth, your time, your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, Allah will take care of your rizq. He will take care of your life. He will take care of your future. I am a walking product of that. When I was 18 and I went for the seating of the woman that I wanted to marry at that time, the family sat me down and the mother asked me, "You dropped out of school at 16. You don't know what you want to do with your future. You don't have a career. You don't have a job. How are you going to take care of our daughter?" And in my mind at that time, and what I've said is that there's no way, and it doesn't make sense to me, that if I leave everything right now and I go to Egypt to seek knowledge, that Allah Azza wa Jal will not take care of me later on. And as a hadith says, that Allah Azza wa Jal will be how His servant thinks of him. So here is true life experience, that because I was thinking of Allah Azza wa Jal taking care of me later, right now I sit here talking to you, and this year my business has made more than $800,000 as of now. So what other proof do you need to believe that if you truly sincerely put your trust in Allah Azza wa Jal and you give your life to seeking knowledge, which is the most beloved act of worship, as the quotes of the scholars that we have previously read, if that is the most beloved act of worship to Him, do you really think that He will not take care of you if you sacrifice your life for it? Knowledge is not only a sacrifice, it's an investment. And Allah Himself Azza wa Jal guarantees the return. I hope that my words did justice to what I wanted to express in this chapter of the knowledge and the importance of knowledge. And whatever we spoke about after, I need you to understand what I'm really trying to express to you, which is that regardless of whatever you are going to do after this in life, even if you want to be an entrepreneur, a business owner, a executive employee, whatever it might be, you need to understand that as a Muslim, there is nothing better, more honorable, afdal, and more pleasing to Allah Azza wa Jal than seeking knowledge and then sacrificing your lifestyle to prioritize that knowledge. You can still run a business, as we will speak about soon. You can still do other things, but it will show in how you talk, sometimes, where you be at, where you live, how you dress, how you behave, if you prioritize knowledge in your life. So I cannot emphasize on this enough. Learn the Arabic language, follow a structured process that you can go from A to Z, like we have at Andres Institute. If you want to know more about it, go ahead and check the first link in the description, as I said in the beginning of the video. But do that and you will live in a different universe with the tools that you will gain after learning the Arabic language and the access that it will give you to the revelation of Allah Azza wa Jal.